Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create hyperlinks in Google Sheets using the hyperlink function. This is a powerful feature that allows you to turn any text into a clickable link, making your spreadsheets more interactive and easier to navigate. Let's jump right into it. First things first, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Google Workspace dashboard, where you can access all your files and documents. Once you're on the Workspace dashboard, look for the Google Sheet that you want to edit. Click on it to open the file. If you don't have a sheet ready, you can always create a new one by clicking the plus icon, but for this tutorial, we'll assume you already have a sheet you want to work with. Now that you're inside your sheet, it's time to start creating hyperlinks. Click on any cell where you want to insert your hyperlink. This is where your clickable link will appear. Once the cell is selected, type equals Hyperlink. Make sure to include the equals sign at the beginning, as this tells Google Sheets that you're entering a formula. Next, input an opening parenthesis. This marks the start of your function parameters. Now add a double quotation mark and type in the URL you want to link to. For example, you might type something like https://www.example.com. After entering your URL, add another double quotation mark to close it off. Now add a comma. This separates your URL from the label that will appear in the cell. After the comma, add another double quotation mark and type in the text you want to display. This could be something like click here or visit website. Once you've typed your label, add another double quotation mark to close it, and then close the entire function with a closing parenthesis. Hit enter, and you'll see your hyperlink appear in the cell as clickable text. But here's where it gets even more useful. You can also hyperlink to other cells within your spreadsheet. Let's try that now. Click on a different cell and type equals hyperlink again, followed by an opening parenthesis. Instead of typing a URL, click on any cell in your sheet that you want to link to. Google Sheets will automatically reference that cell in your formula. After selecting the cell, add a comma, then add a double quotation mark and input a label, something descriptive like go to summary or see details. Close it with another double quotation mark, then add the closing parenthesis and hit enter. Now when you click that hyperlink, it will take you directly to the cell you referenced. And there you have it. You've successfully created hyperlinks in Google Sheets using the hyperlink function, both for external URLs and internal cell references. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.